Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Does your kitchen counter look like this sometimes? An endless, sloppy array of cables everywhere? Well, it doesn't have to, because now you have a Share Sunshine charging station that looks so sleek and nice on your counter. This charging station is a nice compact size. It doesn't take up a lot of prime real estate on your counters. The green charging light is fairly bright, so I would recommend using it at your desk or in a living room space. I can charge all three of my devices at once and only need one charger to do it. It makes life just that much simpler, and it just looks neater looking, to be honest. This charging station has a built-in charger for your watch. Some other charging stations require that you use the original charger that it comes with, so I really think this is a great idea for this design. This charging station is really top-notch, I have to say. It's great value. The quality is so good. I just love the matte color of the black as well. I think it really looks really sharp. It's going to give a lot more convenience to your life because you just have the one charger to deal with and not multiple. Who doesn't want that? Definitely recommend this charger from Share Sunshine, and that's my point of view.